Teacher Carol aqui. Como vocês estão? Espero que estejam todos bem, se cuidando em casa. E a partir dos próximos vídeos nós daremos continuidade nas nossas rotinas, ok? Estão prontos? Let's go! Hello everyone! Welcome to the first class of the week. Are you ready? Yes? Alright, let's sing the hello song together in 1, 2, 3. Hello teacher, how are you? How are you? We're so glad to have you, we're so glad to have you here in our class, Alright, very good. Guys, I have a question. What day is it today? Check the calendar. Calendar up. What day is it today? Today is Tuesday. Very good. Repeat, Tuesday. Alright. And what month are we in? Do you remember? What month are we in? We are in August. Alright? Can you repeat? August. Very good. And what's the weather like today? Remember what you have to do? Check the window, open the window. Tell me, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Or partly cloudy? What's the weather like today? Today, right here in Mamãe Coruja, it's a raining day. Okay? Rainy day. Alright, let's sing the weather song now. In 1, 2, 3. What's the weather? What's the weather on this Tuesday? On this Tuesday. Let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. It is raining. It is raining. Alright, very good. Speaking of rain, alright, we are talking about the rain. How does a rain look like? Let's see. This is how a rainy day looks like, right? We have the cloud. Repeat, cloud. And these are the raindrops. Okay? Repeat, raindrops. Very good. Good job. And imagine that it's a rainy day, like today's a rainy day. What do you need to protect yourself from the rain? You need an umbrella. Remember? The umbrella. Repeat, umbrella. Very good. What else? We have a rainy coat to protect from the rain. Repeat, rainy coat. Good job, very good. So, we have these two things, umbrella and a rainy coat, to protect us from the rain. Alright? Very good, guys. Let's sing now the bye-bye song. In 1, 2, 3. We had a happy day. It's time to go home. It's time to go home with